Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing good. And in this video, I'm going to give you the tour of a studio at Mansion Place, Nottingham. And if you also want to book this room, then the link is in the description box below for Amber Student. All you need to do is click there and you will be redirected to their website. And once you fill in with your details, the Amber Student team will contact you within 24 hours and they'll help you to book this room. If you have any questions, you can reach out to my Instagram. And now let's start the video without wasting any time.